Grade 10 Algebraic Inequalities Exercise 25.2 Answers. Write down the coordinates of the 3 points belong to region x less than minus 2. Draw x equals minus 2 straight line. Since inequality says less than, use dotted line to draw the straight line. Name it x equals minus 2. When x is less than minus 2, answer should be in this side. So you can shade that side. Asking coordinates of 3 points. So you can pick any 3 coordinate from that side. So I have taken these 3 points as answers. Now let's see how to get the answer for the same question without drawing in inequality on a number line or the Cartesian plane. So what are the values x can be? X can be get minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, any number less than the minus 2. So yes, when you're writing the coordinates, you need to make sure when you're writing, use these negative numbers with any y coordinate values. So you can use any y coordinate values with these x coordinate answers. Here are some answers as example. Question number 2. Write down the coordinates of 3 points belonging to the region x greater than minus 1. First, need to draw the straight line x equals 1. Since the inequality is greater than, so we mark the straight line as dotted line. Write the equation x equals minus 1. X is greater than minus 1 mean x value should be more than minus 1. That means answer should comes more than minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. So we supposed to shade this region. You can see few examples. Let's see how to find the answer for same inequality without drawing in Cartesian plane or the number line. Now in here, the region x greater than minus 1. Then answer should comes more than minus 1. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, any positive number for x coordinates. So we can write coordinates using these x positive values and any y coordinate value. For examples, 0, comma 5, 3, comma 2, 7, comma minus 3, 1, comma 0, like this. Write down the coordinates of 3 points belonging to the both regions x greater than 1 and y less than minus 2. Draw the straight line x equals 1 using dotted lines. Write the equation next to it x equals 1. X is more than 1 mean the value is supposed to come 2, 3, 4, 5. So need to shade this area. Then y less than minus 2. So need to draw the straight line y equals minus 2 using the dotted line and write the equation next to it. Y is less than minus 2 mean y value supposed to come minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. That means less than minus 2 values. So we need to shade this area. Now you can see there is a common area shaded. This area represents x greater than 1 and y less than minus 2. You can pick any three coordinates from this area. I have written three answers as example: 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 4. Now you can see you can write any three coordinates from the common shaded area. Let's see how to do the same question without using Cartesian plane. Question is, write down the coordinates of 3 points belonging to the both regions x greater than 1 and y less than minus 2. First of all, write the values of inequality which satisfied x greater than 1. Values are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all positive numbers more than 1. Next, y less than minus 2. So the values are comes minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, all negative values which is less than minus 2. But the question is asking us to write three coordinates belong to both inequalities. So you can write any x value of the inequality as x coordinate and any y value of the inequality as y coordinate. For example, 2 comma minus 3, 4 comma minus 6, 6 comma minus 4. Like that, you can make the pairs using x and y values. Question number 4. Which of the following points belong to both regions? X less than and equal minus 2 and y greater than 0. The points are given: A minus 3 comma 0, B minus 2 comma 1, C minus 1 comma 4. We'll mark the inequality on the Cartesian plane and get to know it clearly. First, draw the straight line x equals minus 2 and shade the region which values less than minus 2. Since x is less than and equal minus 2, so you can draw the straight line without using dotted line. Then draw y equals 0 using dotted line, and y values are more than 0, so you have to shade the region positive direction of y-axis. Now you can see there's a common area shaded. Check whether points A, B, C lie on this area. A, B, C. You can see B is on the common area, so the answer is B. Let's see question number 4, how to do without using the Cartesian plane. Which of the following points belong to the both regions x less than and equal minus 2 and y greater than 0? First thing is to write the values of x which satisfied x less than and equal minus 2. So the values are comes minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, like that. Then write the values of y which greater than 0. So it's coming 1, 2, 3, all positive numbers like this. Now we have to see combination of these numbers are there as a B, C coordinates. Okay, first one minus 3 and 0. So you can see 0 is not in the y range. So this is A does not comes there. B minus 2, 1. So when you look at here, you can see the both values are over here. So the minus 2 from the x inequality, 1 from the y inequality. So we can see the answer B is correct. Then the next one is minus 1, 4. That is the point is C. Minus 1. You can see in x inequality there is no minus 1. So only answer is comes as a B point. Question number 5. Write the two inequalities relevant to the shaded region. So here there are two inequalities shown. When you look at this line, this is called y equals 1. The shading region comes more than 1. Inequality can be written y is more than 1. So what are the values can be y is 1. This straight line is not a dotted line, so 1 also included. 1, 2, 3, all positive numbers can be there. And this straight line, this dotted line, when you take it, that is called x equals minus 2. When you write the inequality, you can see shaded region is coming x values more than the minus 2. So we can write the inequality x is more than minus 2. So what are the values can be x is? You can write minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now we have to think about the point coordinates in this shaded region. So you can see the value should be more than 1, x should be more than minus 2. So we are writing any point more than minus 2. So the minus 1 comma 1, 1 comma 3. Any coordinate you can write like that. Question number 6. In a Cartesian plane, shade the region satisfying the four inequalities x greater than 1, x greater than and equal
X
3,
greater than 1.
y
First draw the
less than
straight
and
line
equal to,
x equals 1
and
using a
y
dotted line.
less than minus 1.
Now shade the region what are the x value can be. So you can see x is greater than 1 mean the answer is supposed to come in this direction. Okay, shall we list out their values? X equals 2, 3, 4, 5, like these numbers. Then x greater than and equal 3. Shall we draw the straight line? Using straight line, x equals 3, this is the straight line. Then x values is more than 3, so answer is supposed to come x equals including 3, 4, 5 more values. Y less than 2. For this one, we draw the straight line y equals 2. Y equals 2. Values are less than 2, then we have to shade this region. Y equals without 2 because this is a less than, so we have to draw this line with a dotted 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 like that. Then y more than and equal minus 1. You have to draw the straight line y equals minus 1 straight line. So if I listed the y values, y is supposed to come minus 1, 0, 1, 2. The values should be increasing. Now when I shade the region supposed to come like this, the value more than section. Now you can see there is a section, all four colors has got. So you can see this section, all four colors used to show. Answer is this section. So this is the region satisfying the all four inequalities. I hope you all understand this. So I have explained this question using the Cartesian plane as same as without drawing also. Hope you all have a good day.